How to change Snapchat avatar face. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS. Now open Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, go to your profile. So from this section now, tap on this. As you can see now, here is avatar, tap on it. So from this section, now tap on this avatar. So from this section now, here is my avatar. If you want to change face, there is different feature you can change, like hairs. As you can see now, you can go ahead and do all this information and change it. After you finish that, you can just scroll to down and go to this option, this one. Here is face. So in this section now, go and choose the face that you want to add. So as you can see now, after you choose the face, just allow it, just give some second, like this one, like this one. It will change. After you choose the face, you can just go ahead and choose different features. Then you can tap on the save button. So here is now my avatar. If you want to add like smiling on your avatar, tap on this selfie button. So from this section now, go and choose the selfie section, like this one, and tap on this done button. So that's it guys on how to change Snapchat avatar face. Please like and subscribe.